girls, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video. This is my space, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty. We do a little bit of everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. So guys, today we'll be styling an hourglass body shape. An hourglass body shape is that ideal body shape that everyone wants to have. It's a balance between the upper body and the lower body with a clear definition on the waist. So if your upper body, that's your soldier, your bust and your hips have the same measurement with a clear definition on the waist, this means you are an hourglass body shape. And on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how you can be able to style this hourglass body shape. With so many outfits out there, with so many fashion tips out there, it can be a bit tricky to style an hourglass body shape. So on today's video, I'm just going to give you the simplest means in which you can be able to style an hourglass body shape. So let's get into the video. An hourglass body shape simply means if your upper body and your lower body are the same and there is a clear definition on the waist. The styling goal for an hourglass body shape is to emphasize the waist, balance the upper and the lower body, avoid hiding natural curves with boxy or oversized styles. So we are going to get into styling tips for an hourglass body shape, and we are going to begin with tops. So the first styling tips of an hourglass body shape with tops is to highlight the waist. And in highlighting the waist, you want to choose tops such as fitted tops. Fitted tops fit close to the body, show off your curves and prevent bulk around the waist. For structured blouses, fitted tees or tailored tops. And the next kind of tops you want to choose for highlighting the waist are wrap tops. Wrap tops naturally cleans at the waist, accentuating the hourglass shape and enhancing your curves. And the next kind of top you want to choose are pelum tops. Pelum tops flare out at the waist, highlighting and adding dimension to the waistline without widening the torso. The next styling tips for an hourglass body shape using tops are to choose the right necklines. And in choosing the right neckline, you want to go in for tops such as V-necks. V-neck lines create a vertical line down the torso, lengthening your silhouette and balancing the chest and the hips. And the next kind of necklines you want to go in for are scoop necks. Scoop necks are very similar to V-necks. Scoop necks highlight the neck and collarbone, which flatters the hourglass body shape. The next kind of neckline you want to go in for are sweetheart necklines. Soft curves complement the natural contours of an hourglass body, emphasizing the upper body without adding weight. Next styling tips for an hourglass body shape using tops are to offer structured and tailored styles. Structured tops, blazers and button downs that fit the waist are ideal for an hourglass body shape. Tailored fits create a clean, defined look that enhance your shape with unnecessarily volume. The next styling tips for an hourglass body shape using tops are to play with fabrics and patterns. Look for stretchy tops like rib materials which hugs curves without clinging too tightly. And also you want to opt for horizontal lines or patterns because horizontal patterns work well if the top is fitted, since the emphasis is to balance the figure without adding bulk. Try patterns on form-fitted tops that sit at the waist. The next styling tips for an hourglass body shape using tops is to balance the sleeves. Cap sleeves and fitted sleeves draw attention to your soldier and create a proportional balanced look. Now we are going to move to the do's and don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with tops. And the first do is to choose tops that are tempered at the waist. Tops with a defined waistline like wrap styles or fitted tees create a beautiful silhouette by emphasizing your curves. The next do is to try crop or waist length tops. Shorter tops that fit right at the waist highlight the shape, especially when paired with high-waisted bottoms. The next do is to go for simple fitted blazers. A well-fitted blazer or jacket that nips at the waist works well over any outfit, adding structure without hiding your shape. The next do is to experiment with layering light fabrics. Layering fitted tops with lightweight cardigans or jackets can add depth without adding bulk. And now let's move to the don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with tops. First don't we have is to avoid boxy or baggy tops. Loose, oversized or boxy tops can drown your natural curves, making you appear wider and less defined. The next don't is to avoid high necklines. Turtlenecks and high necklines can add bulk to the chest area, making your torso look shorter and disrupting the hourglass balance. The next don't we want to put into consideration is to overboard with large print or loose tops. Large patterns on loose fitting tops may add bulk and make your figure appear unbalanced. Choosing tops that hugs the waist, flatter the shoulder and complement your natural proportion, you will be able to create a polished, flattering look for every occasion. So that is it for the do's and don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with tops. And now we are going to move to the next one, which is styling an hourglass body shape with pants. When styling pants for an hourglass body shape, the goal is to emphasize the waist and maintain balance between the upper and the lower body. The right pants will complement your curves and create a streamline that will elongate your look. So here are the best styling tips for pants on an hourglass body shape. And the first we have is to emphasize the waist with high-waisted styles. High-waisted pants are ideal for an hourglass figure because they highlight the narrowest part of the waist, enhancing the natural curves. Also, you want to look for pants with a wider waistband, which can add definition and structure to the waistline. The next styling tip is to opt for slim or straight leg cuts. Slim fit and straight leg pants follow the line of the body without adding bulk, maintaining balance with your shoulder and your hips. And also you want to go in for boot cut and flare pants. Slightly flare or boot cut pants can be very flattering as they add a bit of width at the ankle and balance out the curves of your hip. And the next styling tip we have is to go for a clean line and simple details. Simple styles without excessive pockets, embellishment or distressing will keep the focus on your silhouette. Now the last styling tip we have is to balance the look with tempered or cigarette styles. Tempered or cigarette pants that are slightly narrower at the ankle help elongate the legs and accentuate the curves. This styles goes well with a well-fitted or tucked-in tops. Now we are going to move to the do's and the don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with pants. And the first we are going to begin with do's. The first do we have is to go in for tuck-in or half-tuck tops. Tucking in your tops helps emphasize the waistline and gives a cleaner look with a high-waisted pant. The next do we want to put into consideration is to choose pants that follow your natural curves. Look for pants that sit comfortably on your hips and temper gently at your waist. The next one we want to put into consideration is to try belts. Adding a belt can further accentuate the waist, especially with high-waisted pants. And the next do we want to put into consideration is to experiment with vertical stripes. Vertical stripes on pants can create an elongated look while maintaining the balance. And now we are going to move to the don't of styling an hourglass body shape with pants. The first don't we have is to avoid low-rise pants. Low-rise styles can make the hips look wider and disrupt the natural hourglass proportion. The next don't you want to put into consideration is to avoid excessive baggy or wide leg pants. Wide leg pants that are over baggy can overwhelm your frame and hide your natural curves, throwing off the balance. The next don't you want to avoid is overdo pocket or heavy embellishment on the hips. Large pockets, cargo pants, or embellishment around the hips can add unnecessary bulks. So that is it for the don't of styling an hourglass body shape with pants. So therefore, you want to aim for a more tailored fit by choosing high-waisted pants, well-structured pants that follow the line of your body and is going to create a flattering, balanced look that enhances your natural curves. So that is it for styling an hourglass body shape using pants. And now we are going to move to styling an hourglass body shape using dresses. When styling dresses for an hourglass body shape, the goal is to enhance your natural balanced silhouette and define the waist. A dress will hug your curves without adding bulk, emphasizing the waist while keeping proportions balanced. And here are the best styling tips for dresses on an hourglass body shape. The first styling tips for dresses we have is to go for fitted or waist-defined styles. And for these fitted or waist-defined styles, we have dresses such as wrap dresses. Wrap dresses clinch at the waist and follow the curves, making them ideal for an hourglass body shape. Also, we have belted dresses. Dresses with built-in belt or options for adding one can help highlight the waist, emphasizing the natural shape. Also, you can go in for fit and flare dresses. Fit and flare dresses are fitted at the top and flare out slightly below the waist, creating a beautiful silhouette. The next styling tip for an hourglass body shape using dresses is to choose the right neckline. V-necks and sweetheart necklines draw the eye upward and helps balance out the shoulder and the bust with your hips, creating a flattering shape. The next kind of neckline you want to choose are scoop necklines. A scoop neckline adds softness and enhances the hourglass shape by complementing the curves of the shoulder and collarbone. The next styling tip we have is to consider pencil dresses. Pencil dresses hug the body closely, emphasizing the waist and hips while offering a streamlined and elegant look. The next styling tip is to play with length and hemlines. Knee length and midi dresses often flatters an hourglass shape by creating a balanced and proportionate look. So that is it for styling an hourglass body shape with dresses. And now we are going to move to the do's and don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with dresses. The first, we are going to begin with do's. The first do you want to put into consideration is to emphasize the waist. Choose dresses with defined waistline or add a belt to highlight the narrowest part of your body. The next do is to experiment with body cones and fitted dresses. Cone dresses are often very flattering for an hourglass shape as they emphasize natural curves without adding bulk. The next do you want to put into consideration is to try A-line and the fit and flare dresses. These shapes works well with your natural proportions, enhancing the waist and keeping everything balanced. The next do is to consider dresses with vertical details. Vertical detail helps elongate the body while maintaining balance. And now we're going to move to the don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with dresses. The first don't we have is to avoid oversized or boxy dresses. Boxy or shapeless dresses can hide your curves and make you appear larger, distracting from your naturally balanced shape. The next don't is to avoid volume around the waist. Avoid dresses like ruffle, bows, or large pockets at the waist, as this can disrupt the hourglass balance. The next don't we have is to avoid high neck dresses. High necklines can shorten the torso and make the upper body look bulkier. So guys, that is it for the do's and don'ts of styling an hourglass body shape with dresses. So therefore, the key to styling dresses for an hourglass body shape is to embrace fitted or waist-defined styles that highlight the waist and complement the natural curves. These create a balanced, flattering look that enhances your proportion while showcasing your silhouette beautifully. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, share to your friends who are hourglass body shape. This can help their wardrobe, this can help enhance their fashion sense. So guys, that is it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.